Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a little known strategy that can really boost your income if you are a private lender. And it's not from increasing points or straight interest. Now, before I get started, if you want to learn more about how to properly structure all of your real estate investments and protect your assets, you can register for our free tax and asset protection live event at the link below. All right, now let me share with you how to boost your income as a private lender. Now, as we know, if you're a private lender, how do we typically get paid? We get paid with points and interest. And yes, that can add up and you can make really good money at it. I know I do when I loan out money, but there is a better way or a way for you to make more money from your private lending activity that is not dependent just on points and straight interest that you put into your loan. So what does that mean? Well, if I'm a private lender, one of the things you may consider on your next deal is enter into what is referred to as a shared appreciation mortgage. And so what that means is that what you're doing is you're going to get paid based upon the profit that the borrower makes on that deal. And so what we'll do is, let's say you've got your business entity. I'm running it through a corporation. So I have my corp here. And again, if you watch my other videos on private lenders, you know it can be an LLC, corporation, really doesn't matter. And so then I have this borrower over here. And this borrower wants me to loan him $100,000 for this deal. And I look at the deal and I analyze the deal. I'm thinking to myself, all right, I'm going to take interest. I'm going to take some points on it. But what I may be willing to do, because I know that this borrower, money's a little tight, maybe I'm willing to forego 3 points on the deal. I'm going to drop it down to 1 point and I'll cut my interest that I would normally impose. Rather than 11%, I'm going to cut it down to, say, 5.5%, 6% on the deal in exchange for profits when the deal is sold. So I enter into this private loan agreement here with the lender where I agree to loan him $100,000 under the following terms. I get 1 point, I get 6%, plus I get 30% of profit when the property sells. And so what that allows you to do in this type of strategy here, let's say this property, when the property sells, there is $50,000 in gain. Well, if that was the deal, then you're going to make an extra $15,000 under this shared appreciation mortgage. The benefit to the borrower now, of course, is that they have fewer points that they have to pay on the loan, and you're decreasing the straight interest. You might be thinking, well, they're looking at that going, well, I'm going to pay more in the back end. But a lot of people are okay with paying more in the back end on a deal like this because it's psychological. So it allows you then to say, listen, if you're going to do a great job on this, I'm there with you. I want to be there with you. And I want to benefit when that property sells. So in order to put together the shared appreciation mortgage, you got to have specific language inside of your loan agreement that references this. Some people call it contingent interest when they build it into there. But you have to be specific, all right? If you're going to build this out into your note, you want to make sure with that contingent interest or that shared appreciation note that you're putting in place that you specify how the profit is being calculated, because that's key. That's how you're going to get paid when this deal is done. Now, if you've never done one of these before, I get it, and you're considering you want to do it, what I've done for you is if you look in the show notes below, I actually have a link in there that'll take you to a shared appreciation note that you can use in your own investing. It's a great tool. If you watch one of my other videos where I talk about being a private lender, I explain how you can take that document right there, this type of deal, and you can run it through an LLC, and there's other things that you can benefit from being a private lender when you're putting in place a shared appreciation mortgage in a more advanced type of structure. Hey guys, I also got available for you our tax and asset protection event. If you're interested in this and many other strategies as it comes to being a real estate investor, don't hesitate, sign up for it. It's an event where myself and my partner Toby Mathis teach. It's an all-day event, guaranteed to blow your mind away when it comes to LLCs and land trusts and lending and things like this. More importantly, we're going to show you how to save tons in taxes as a business owner or as a real estate investor. Look forward to seeing you there.